Hello, in this tutorial, we would look into the options in the HO control. Please remember, except the item price management, all the other options in the HO control cannot be edited. All these options in the HO menu shows us the values that are selected in the retail management module in Genesys head office. Let's start with My Store. The My Store option opens the My Store window. This displays the store information, the contact information, and the replenishment source of your store. The next option is the Item Master. The Item Master displays all the items related information present in the local database. The mode of payment. The mode of payment displays all the available modes of payment. Next we see the VAT option. The VAT shows the local value added taxes that could be applied by the store. Charge. Transfer charges are the charges applied when the goods are being transferred. If there's any charges, it would be shown here. Please note, this would only be applicable if your store is an outright store. The charges would not be displayed if it's a consignment store. The next option we would see is the discount option. The discount option opens a tab that displays a list of all the discounts that could be used in the POS terminal. Please note, this displays all the bill level and the item level discounts. Promotion. Promotion shows all the applicable promotions for the stores. Document numbering scheme. The document numbering scheme displays all the numbering patterns for documents generated in POS, for example, the bill number. All the document numbering schemes are displayed under this tab. Reason. The reasons for exceptional situations like voiding a bill or a delivery slip, goods being returned, or a no sales status reached are displayed under the Reasons option. The item price management. The item price management, as it says, manages the price of an item when it has multiple price. We would see about the item price management in depth in our upcoming videos. Well, that wraps up this tutorial, but if you have any questions, let us know. Subscribing to Genesys channel, you would have access to all our tutorials. Thank you.